If your laptop or computer's shortcut keys are not working, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end and learn how to solve it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. Keyboard errors are generally caused by malfunctioning drivers and can be easily resolved with the solutions we have shown here. So stick to the end and perform as shown to fix the issue. Before we get into the solution, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you are facing any issues while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. Method 1. The first thing you can do is run the keyboard troubleshooter. Type troubleshoot settings in the search bar and press enter. Next, click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the keyboard option and click on Run. Windows 11 will try to detect and automatically fix the issue. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the process. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. If not, move ahead and perform the next steps shown in the video. Method 2. The next thing you can do is reinstall the keyboard driver. Go to search bar, type defmgmt.msc and press enter. This will open the device manager. Expand keyboard and right-click on the keyboard driver. Select uninstall device from the menu. After the uninstallation finishes, then restart your PC. If this doesn't solve the issue, then you can try updating the keyboard drivers. Right-click on the keyboard driver and select Update Driver. Next, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers option and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the process. Select Standard PS2 keyboard. Click on Next to continue and finish the process. Restart your PC or laptop and check if the issue is fixed. Method 3. Another thing you can do is change the startup type of human interface device service to automatic. Type services in the search bar and select the top option. Scroll down the services list and find Human Interface Device Service. Double-click on it to open its properties. Change the startup type to automatic and click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Now restart the device and see if the issue is resolved. If the issue is still not resolved, then let's go ahead and get hardware troubleshooting steps done in the next method. Method 4. If you're using a desktop, then first unplug the keyboard and exchange it with a spare USB keyboard to see if the issue gets resolved. If you are using a laptop, then plug in a spare USB keyboard to one of the working USB ports and see if USB keyboard also has the same issue. If the new keyboard doesn't have the issue, then your old keyboard or onboard keyboard was malfunctioning and you need to either replace or repair them. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.